Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two popular blade refills, Freedom Grooming FlexSeries blade refills and Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades. Get ready for some serious shaving talk. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The Freedom Grooming FlexSeries blade refills come in at just $23, while the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades are priced at $24. It's a close call, folks. Now let's talk about the shaving experience. The FlexSeries blade refills are designed specifically for the FlexSeries head shaver from Freebird. With 5 fresh rotary blades, you'll get a smooth and irritation-free shave. Plus, you can use them wet or dry, with or without shaving cream. It's all about flexibility, baby. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades offer a fast and clean shave. The coated blade reduces razor burn, and the rounded tips protect your precious skin from nicks and cuts. You can even use it in the shower. Talk about versatility. Durability is key when it comes to blade refills. The FlexSeries blade refills are made of high-quality stainless steel, making them extremely durable and safe. No need to worry about them falling apart after a few uses. These babies are built to last. The Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades, on the other hand, claim to last up to 8 months. That's like having a blade that defies time itself. Just remember, your mileage may vary depending on your shaving habits. Let's talk about ease of use now. Changing the FlexSeries head is as easy as changing your mind about that questionable tattoo. Just swap the head attachment on your razor and you're good to go. Cleaning the blades is a breeze too. Just rinse them under water and voila, goodbye pesky hairs. With the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades, you can use them wet or dry, with or without foam. It's like having a blade that adapts to your every whim. And cleaning, well, it's as simple as giving them a quick rinse. No fuss, no mess. Last but not least, let's talk about brand trust. The FlexSeries kit and all accessories are made by the trusted brand Freebird. They're known for their innovative products and delivering the best shave. You can trust them to have your back, or rather your face. On the other side, we have Philips Norelco, a brand that's been in the shaving game for ages. They've earned their reputation for quality and reliability. With their OneBlade replacement blades, you know you're in good hands. The Freedom Grooming FlexSeries blade refills are considered a good product that provides a close shave quickly and easily. Customers appreciate the price and the fact that the blades are easily replaceable. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades are praised for their clean shave, no discomfort, and no cuts. Customers with sensitive skin find the blue blades to be better than regular ones. Both products have received positive feedback regarding their performance and quality. Well, folks, it's time to make a decision. Which blade refill reigns supreme? Is it the Freedom Grooming FlexSeries blade refills or the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more comparisons like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay sharp, my friends, and remember to always buy smart.